If you have Pinduoduo app on your phone and you have been doing procurement and shipping from China using Pinduoduo for a very long time, but all of a sudden you receive this particular message from Google that Google Play Protect uninstall harmful app was disabled because it put your device at risk. That is the message that brought about disaster to Pinduoduo app. And then you go to your phone and you scroll down, you check everywhere on your phone, you find it difficult and you cannot see your Pinduoduo app. So this is the right solution for this problem, okay? So there is no need to be panic or to go and run scatter to download a new app, stuff like that. This is the right solution in this video. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, and then you are going to be fine. So with that being said, let's get started. But before I dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to have a business consultation with me, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And also, if you are coming across to my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to head over back to the message. Right here we have uninstall harmful app. Just tap on the message. Then it will route you back to Google Play Store. Alright, so what you need to do right here is to click on settings at the top right here. Having clicked on settings, you can see that the Google Protected button is on. What you need to do is to turn off these two buttons right here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one off and this one off. Just click on turn off. Now, when you turn these two off, then you have to click on the tab right here. Click on this back. Then it takes you back to your to the app. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to click on enable app. Then make sure you click this app is harmful. Consider uninstall it. Never mind the Google message. Just click on enable. So once you click on enable, then you have to go back to your phone. And then you look for the Pinduoduo app. Right here, you can see my Pinduoduo app is back. Now, for you to access the Pinduoduo, just tap on it, just like normal way you click on your Pinduoduo. Then it's going to load up. You can see that my Pinduoduo app is back successful. So this is what you need to do to solve the problem of app disabled by Google Play Protected. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on the subscribe. And for business consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp about China importation and some other country importation business. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.